Okay, Grand Rising on this beautiful Saturday, soon to be Shabbat. So I'm going to say Shabbat Shalom to everyone. So we are going to do what? Hair care. Hair care. So y'all, we're going to start with our olive oil moisturizing hair lotion infused with castor oil for strengthening. I needed something to strengthen my roots. Now, y'all, this pudding is real thick. I'm glad I bought a knife so I could just pull it out. I'm gonna have to turn it upside down. So it's real pudding, y'all see. Pudding. And y'all make sure when y'all doing your hair maintenance, your hair care, y'all make sure y'all getting in those roots, because of course y'all know that's where the hair grows from. So you got to have nice, healthy roots. Nice, and this smells good, and I love the results that I'm getting. I love them. Okay, y'all. That's the only thing I don't like about this. It's so thick. It's so thick. I'm glad I brought this knife, because I'm gonna have to go through here and pull it out. I'm serious, I gotta pull it through with a knife. But I'll get it out. Yeah. So how is everyone doing on this beautiful Saturday? I am wonderful. Me and Coco is going to lay back, relax, and enjoy our Sabbath. That's what we're going to do today. We got up around 5 this morning. Around 5. Which is, I would say, about right. Because we are both early birds. We are early birds. Okay. And this cost, now I got this from Target. Now, and you can also order this on Amazon, y'all. I order, because when I don't feel like going out from store to store, I just get everything from from Amazon. So you can also find these hair care products online, and I'm going to, when I get around to it, I'm going to add these hair care products on my Amazon storefront. So, yeah. Y'all see how? And you want to have these long locks, so I make sure I go all the way to the end of the hair. And we also just want to spray. I got the this is Lock Sanity, you all. I was trying to there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Get out of here. I wanted to find something to moisten the hair, moisten my locks, and I found Lock Sanity is good. And I tell y'all, I love my locks. My next video about hair, I guess I'll do it today. This will be our hair care and hair maintenance and journey today. That's what we'll be doing, talking about hair. Talk about hair. But I am loving the results of all of my hair care products. I'm doing something right because my hair is now all the way down to my what? My butt. Yes, it is. It's all the way down. I make sure I go all the way to the ends. All the way to the ends. And my roots is finally getting thick, that thick. When I started my locks, your locks is going to be 10 years old. My locks is going to be 10 years old this year. In September, we'll be 10. I'm so pleased with my hair journey. Y'all, when I started my locks, I started with the braids. That's how I started them first, because I had the, the perm, the relaxer, and I happened to be putting a perm in my hair one day, and when I went to blow dry my hair was just coming out with the blow dryer, and I was like, what in the world is going on? And so I guess the Most High was telling me, don't put no perms in your hair no more. So I went and got me some braids. And I kept those braids in for 6 months. And then I let my loctician, cut all the perm that was left. So I started with that much new growth with my locks. Yeah. And so now it's all the way down to my butts. I know one thing, I really miss my loctician, Deidre, in Montgomery. I sure do miss her. I got to look her up on social media. Should I drive back to Alabama just for her to twist my locks? No joke. Y'all look at my hair. I am loving it. And y'all know what? I see when I'm wearing my satin bonnet, my hair love that satin bonnet. The texture, the shine, the silkiness. Oh, look at it. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, I love it. So when y'all purchase this, beware that it's nice and thick. It is nice and thick. Like a nice thick custard. Like a nice thick custard. All the way down. So spring is here. So hopefully me and Coco, we're going to be taking some trips. We're finally getting some prayers answered by the Most High, getting closure and things that I needed closing and justice. So we're in the process of doing it right now. The time has finally come. All glory and praise to the Most High for that. And we gonna be taking us some nice vacations. I already got celebrations planned. Sure do. So we're gonna be spending time in Miami for a couple of days. We're gonna go to Miami and stay at least 4 days, at least 4 days. I don't got nothing to do but enjoy life. That's all I'm gonna do. My life is precious. I fix my life so I can enjoy life and not be a slave to life. And so we're gonna go to Miami and for a couple of days, for at least 4 days, probably 5. Yeah, because there's a lot to see in Miami. And of course, we're going to go to Atlanta. Y'all know I love me some Atlanta. I lived in Atlanta twice, and you might as well say 3 times because my duty station is Tuskegee, Alabama. I work at the VA. And of course, everybody knows that the VA, that Atlanta is right down the road. And so, I went to Atlanta every 2 weeks. At least every 2 weeks. Especially on payday. So we're going to go to Atlanta. And I want to stay at the, what is it called? I already stayed at the Intercontinental. What's that other one? Not Four Seasons. What's the other one, y'all? It starts with an R. Oh, goodness, I can't think of it. But yeah, so anyway, we're going to stay in a nice luxury 5-star hotel in Buckhead, of course. And yeah, enjoy the shops and the restaurants. Shops and the restaurants. And this lotion is no more than like $8 at the most. Now we're gonna put our bonnet back on our head. Or I might do a, So we're going to be doing hair videos today, all day today. So I have videos every day for you all. We do a batch of hair videos today. Okay, so this is nice. Y'all see my little lock jewelry? Sometimes they fall off. You can see one piece right there. I got this lock jewelry from Amazon. My lock jewelry from Amazon. I have to go and add that as well on my Amazon storefront. Yeah. Okay, y'all, I think I did pretty good. I did pretty good. Yeah. I did. Good. I did good. And I love my hair. I love it. Y'all know what? I would not change my locks for nothing in the world. Now y'all know what? I haven't retwist my hair in a minute. Shoot, well, I haven't. Because see, once it's locked, it's locked. So all I do is just make sure I keep it washed and moisturized. And just let it do what it do. Do what it do. Okay, y'all. Thanks for watching my hair care routine. Y'all please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you be notified when I'm dropping new videos. And follow me on TikTok at Zion Israel Locks. Also on Facebook, Instagram, and Threads, I am ja.cquelyn4. And also shop with us at the Chick Babes and Fur Baby Boutique.myshopify.com. I have some 2 items that I ordered from my store today, and I'm going to be doing a Chick Babes and Fur Baby Boutique unboxing. That's right, unboxing my own brand. That's right. I am so proud of myself to have my own brand. So I will always have a brand deal, honey, because I got my own brand. So this is the face of Chick Babes and Chick Fur Baby. Fur Baby's on the floor asleep. Go sleep. Go sleep. Back to sleep. We gonna be going back to sleep. I've been gonna jump back in that bed by 12. By 12 I love it. Y'all know what? I was on YouTube one day, of course, and I was looking at this some dreadlocks videos, hair videos, and this guy, his hair was so long. His wife was washing his hair. His hair was all the way down to the ground, past the ground. His hair was so long that he had to actually get his hair washed outside. Now, as long as his hair was, I wouldn't have had his hair just laying on a sidewalk like that or laying on the ground like that, the cement. Because see, I would have put a towel down or a sheet down there. But yes, his hair was actually that long. His hair, oh my gosh, his hair is literally all the way to the ground. Literally. And that, he sure enough have a real strong hair care routine for his hair to grow all the way down to the ground. Well, mine's to my butt. And I make sure, and if you want nice, healthy hair and healthy skin, everything starts with your diet. Make sure you're drinking a lot of water, getting your fruits and your vegetables. Okay, and your protein, because protein grows your nails and your hair. And I had me some salmon yesterday, salmon and my asparagus. And I think, well, today is the Shabbat, so I just got some pastries for this morning, some cinnamon pastries. Cinnamon brings money and wealth. It sure do. So yeah, that's what we're having for breakfast, some cinnamon. And then lunchtime, we're going to be having bagels, a turkey bagel. Turkey bagel. Okay, y'all shop with us at the Chick Babes and Fur Baby Boutique.myshopify.com. I'm going to put everything in the description box. Shabbat Shalom.